In this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps and the methods I used to make $9,265 in commission with Amazon Associates just in 21 days from the first day of December until the day 21. So, if you guys are interested to make some consistent commissions with Amazon Associates affiliate marketing using free traffic, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making some commissions like this. Okay, this is samurai, this is my commissions, and this is Bonchi's over here. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with Amazon Associate affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account. So what you will do, you will go to Google and you will search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link over here, and here you go. Click on sign up and click over here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name here, your email address, password, and password again, and click on create your Amazon account. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you will promote using free traffic from Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. So what you need to do next, you need to create a Pinterest business account. So go to Google and search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Choose business account, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy and simple, and you should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you doing it correctly, and if you are choosing a good and trending product that I will share with you. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search again for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this website. Click on this link here, just click on Pinterest trend, and here you go. So what we will do is we will use this Pinterest trend website to see what's trending, which products are trending right now on Pinterest. Okay, so you will be directly in this page. Click here and choose which country you want to target. So for example, you have United States, Canada, so you can see what's trending on Canada, for example, or in United States, Italy, Spain, and so much more. I will choose United States. I will keep using United States. I will scroll down, and here you go. This is top trends in United States this month. This is what's trending this month in United States. You guys can see we have this one, Christmas nails. We have this one here, Christmas wallpaper nails. And if we click here, we can find more winter nails. We have this one also, and we have so much more. So let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I think this one is good. You guys can see this one is trending, winter nails. I will click on this one, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. Scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down, and here you go. Click over here and choose past 3 months. Okay, and here you go, guys. You guys can see this keyword winter nails is trending. You guys can see that people are on in United States searching for, of course, women searching for this product on Pinterest. Okay, you can see winter nails. It's the graph is just keep going up. Okay, which is really good. So what I will do, I will copy this keyword winter nails, and I will go back to Amazon, go and open Amazon website, click here on the search and search for this product, winter nails, like this, and here you go. You will be directly in this page and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this product. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers and good products. So how you can know which products are good for you that you can promote on Pinterest? So what you will do, make sure to choose always product that got at least over 1000 sales in the past month. Okay, for example, like this one got 3 over 3000 people paid for this one in the past month, over 3000 sales. Okay, this one is good, so we will scroll down. Also this one, over 1000 people paid for this one in the past month, which is really good. This one is good. So what I will do next, so let's scroll down and let me see if we can find more. We have a lot of product, but like I said, always choose product that got at least over 1000 sales in the past month. Okay, at least 1000. So let me see. We have this one also. This one is good. You guys can see this one. This one, over 4000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good. Okay, but let's go to the first one that got 6000. Let me see. This one, I think this one is good. Like this one, 3000, and we have one here that got. Okay, where is? Let me see. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, I will choose this one. You guys can see this one, over 3000 people paid for this one in the past month. So what I will do, I will click on this product. I will click on this product like this. Just click on the product that you will promote, that you like, or that you will choose to promote it as an affiliate marketer, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Okay, so what you will do next is you just need to promote this Amazon products as an affiliate marketer on Pinterest. So what you will do, you will click on this picture here, okay, and double click and click on save image. Okay, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, and what you will do next, you will go to your Pinterest account. Okay, go and open your Pinterest account, click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and here you go, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, you will upload this one about this products, open, and here you go. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to put title and description. So what you will do, you will go back to this Amazon product page and you will copy this title and go to ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT AI will help you to optimize and create a good and engaging Pinterest titles that you can use for your pins, so people can click on your product and buy this product from you, so you can earn commission. Okay, so I will click here on message and I will ask him. I'm gonna ask him turn this Amazon product, turn this Amazon product title into Pinterest. Okay, into Pinterest pin title, and use good SEO to rank. Okay, and I will put this Amazon product name here, and I will click here, and here you go. You will get a good optimized title for your pins. You guys can see you have a lot. Okay, so I will copy this one. This one is good. I will copy the first one like this, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title here. Okay, you see, so we need description. I will go back to Amazon, okay, and to this Amazon product page. I will scroll down. So just scroll down. Let me show you. Go over here to about this. This is your product description. Copy this product description. Go to ChatGPT and ask him, turn this product description into Pinterest pin description. Okay, and put this description here. Click over here, and here you go. You will get a good description that you guys can use for your Pinterest pins. Okay, and here you go. You are getting also titles, which is really good. I will copy this description. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here, and I will scroll down. I need to put my Amazon affiliate link here. So what I will do next, I will go back to this Amazon product page. Okay, you should already have an affiliate account, so you can start seeing like this bar in your Amazon account. This one, influencer and associate site tribe. So what you will, so to get an affiliate link for this product, just click here on get link, and here you go. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link, go back to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords or tags. I will go back to ChatGPT and I will ask him, okay, give me tags for this pin. And here you go. ChatGPT will give you a good tags that you guys can use. If you have new account, you should use those tags so you can grow your account. Okay, you see, you have a lot of tags. Copy those tags. AI will help you a lot on this business. Okay, so make sure to use ChatGPT, will help you, and put all those tags here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on uh, Pinterest, and you guys can see even Pinterest suggested, you guys can see your pin about nails might be relevant to those growing trends. So it's already growing. Okay, this product is already trending, and that's it. So for people who are asking, they can't use Amazon product pictures, so here is the solution for you guys. Don't worry, go to Google and search for AliExpress, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, let me show you. You can use AliExpress pictures, okay, and you will be fine, and it's safe, and you don't need to worry. You will use AliExpress pictures product to promote your Amazon product. Just click here on the search and search for the product that you want to use, or you can download this picture and go to AliExpress and click here. Let me show you. Okay, so let me see. You can click here, you see, and click on upload a photo and upload the picture about this Amazon product that you want to search for. This one. Click on open, and here you go. And here you go. You will find a lot of pictures here. So search for the picture that is like this one that you are searching for on AliExpress, like this one about this Amazon products. Okay. So if you just if you just give it few time, you can find your picture here that you can use for free. Okay, and that's it. And you can use those pictures if you want. If you don't want to use Amazon pictures, go to AliExpress, and there you go. Okay, and that's it. Okay, for people who are asking, you can't put Amazon affiliate links directly on Pinterest. No, you can. This is fine. Okay, if you have new account, you need to start promoting just between 2 and 3 affiliate links per day. If you have old Pinterest account, business account, that's fine. This is what I'm doing. Why my account didn't got any suspended or any problems? This account is just for testing, and this account, I made this account just to show you guys how you can use it. I have multiple accounts that I'm using, and this one, it didn't got any problems. I have been doing the same method. I didn't get any problems with this one. Okay, or you can create an Amazon affiliate website, and you can put all your Amazon products inside this website, and start using this website to promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address inside my Amazon affiliate course. I'm sharing with you everything, how we can use TikTok, how we can use Pinterest, how we can use Instagram, how we can use YouTube, and how we can use long videos on YouTube, short videos, and so much more. How we can create content, how we can choose trending and good products, and so much more. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.